Hey, Jake. What's your favorite holiday in the US?
That's a tough one. I think my favorite is Thanksgiving. What about you?
I love Christmas, but I also really enjoy 4th of July.
Those are great choices. How do you usually celebrate Christmas?
I spend Christmas Eve with my family at home. We decorate the Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and have a big Christmas dinner.
That sounds amazing. What do you usually eat?
We always have roast turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and Christmas cookies. What about you?
My family also has turkey, but sometimes we make ham instead. We also have pumpkin pie and eggnog.
Oh, I love eggnog. Do you open gifts on Christmas Eve or Christmas morning?
We open one gift on Christmas Eve and the rest on Christmas morning. What about your family?
We open everything on Christmas morning after breakfast. It's a tradition.
That's nice. So, why do you love 4th of July?
I love the fireworks, barbecues, and parades. It's such a fun holiday.
Yeah, I agree. Where do you usually celebrate it?
I usually go to a park or the beach with friends. We have a barbecue, play games, and watch fireworks at night. What about you?
My family has a backyard barbecue and then we go downtown to watch the fireworks show.
That sounds fun. What do you usually eat on the 4th of July?
We always have hot dogs, hamburgers, grilled corn, and apple pie. And of course, we drink lemonade and beer. What about you?
A good barbecue and cold drinks are perfect for the 4th of July.
Yeah, but I also love Thanksgiving. It's the best holiday for food.
Oh, yes. Thanksgiving dinner is amazing. Do you have any family traditions for Thanksgiving?
Yes. Before dinner, everyone at the table says one thing they're thankful for.
That's such a nice tradition. My family does that too. We also watch the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade on TV.
Oh yeah, and then later there's football games on TV.
Exactly. And after dinner, I always feel so full that I just want to sleep.
Me too. Do you ever go shopping on Black Friday after Thanksgiving?
Sometimes. But I prefer online shopping because the stores are too crowded. What about you?
I've gone a few times, but it's crazy. People fight over TVs and electronics.
I know. That's why I stay home and shop online. What other holidays do you like?
I really like Halloween because I love dressing up in costumes and going to parties.
Oh, me too. I love trick-or-treating with my little cousins and carving pumpkins.
Yeah, I always go to a haunted house or a Halloween party.
Halloween is so much fun. What about New Year's Eve?
Oh, that's another great holiday. I always go to a New Year's Eve party with my friends and watch the ball drop in Times Square on TV.
Same. And at midnight, everyone shouts Happy New Year and drinks champagne.
Yes, it's such a fun night.
Wow. The US really has some amazing holidays.
Definitely. Every holiday is special in its own way.
Agreed. I can't wait for the next holiday celebration.